service call saying dicing up. You can see diced up. Looks like one thermostat. It's at 31 degrees. I'd be icing up too. Doors wide open. Ay, 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 ay. Over the thermostat, and this one just kicked on. Can't see what it's set at, but I'll check it. What a mess. So you can see the heat strips, defrost strips, whatever you want to call them. They haven't ran in a while, boy, oh boy. They land up here. Ground wire goes up and outside. This is a callback. I'll take you out there. I'll come out here and there ain't no ground wires hooked up. Alright, we're pulling 15 amps on that ground wire. So you see we got a defrost clock out here. It says right here. Defrost heater contactor. Air defrost. Whatever, dude. You know, these installers nowadays, that's why they're cheaper than us, obviously, in some of these installs. So I'm gonna run that a defrost cycle and let it thaw it up, and should be good to go. Put it all back together, and like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe. Help my channel grow. Trying to make that YouTube money, baby.